What the world?
Entertainment, baby.
Hey, hey. Tiny. Ycee.
Body on this one, oh.
Ain't nobody but that. Nah. I don't wanna wait for nobody. I just wanna dance with you, mommy. I put my hands on your body. Don't be scared, don't you worry.
Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to this channel, please do not forget to hit the red subscribe button. And if you are a returning subby, thank you so much for coming back and joining me for another video. If you are a new subscriber, because I know that you're out there and you're one of the new ones, I just want to thank you for taking the time out to subscribe to my channel. It means so much to me and I really do appreciate it. So today's video, you guys, is an exciting one for me because this particular unit, you guys, I have been waiting for a super duper rooper duper duper long time, and today it arrived. Yes, it arrived. I want to find out, can this be the most realistic hairline that I have ever seen? So I'm just gonna go and start with the unboxing. You guys, my unit came today and I started opening it up, as you can see, and it came in this priority mail, and I'm going to unbox this particular hair from Secret Kreations. You guys, this company is by a fellow YouTuber. Okay, so the wig that I ordered, and I'm gonna leave, of course, all the information down below. The wig that I ordered was a Tina full lace wig in 22 inches. It's gonna be curled. This is what I'm expecting, you guys. And this has to be one of the most realistic hairlines ever. And I'll have all the information listed down below in the description bar. I placed my order on February 27th and my unit was shipped out and I just received it today. Today is March 23rd. And the shipping does not bother me, you guys, because I wasn't expecting it to come like in 2 days, because this is not an AliExpress vendor whatsoever. This is pretty much handcrafted and made by a fellow YouTuber. I think she goes by the name Miss Precious Marine, and her company is Secret Kreations. And this is the unit I ordered. Now, the reason why I'm telling you all this backstory about it is because, you guys, she sells out. Her units sell out. When she puts her units on her site, her units sell out within seconds, within a minute. So I'm even surprised that I was able to snag this unit. And not only was I able to snag it, you guys, I snagged it on sale. Okay. So yeah, I paid a total of $276.25 for this unit, you guys. The original, well, I don't know what the original price was, over $400. It was almost close to $500. So it was at a deep discount. And the shipping was $13. The price of the unit was $262. The shipping was $13.75. So the total is $276. Yeah. Okay, so let me stop talking. Let me stop talking and let me just show you the unit. Let me.
Too much juice, too much sauce. Too much sauce, too much juice. Too much juice, too much sauce. Too much sauce, too much juice.
Thank you so much for your purchase. I hope you enjoy your Secret Kreations wig. XO Marie. That's so sweet. I love the personalized touch of this, you guys. That's really, really sweet.
Too much juice, too much sauce. sauce, too much juice. Too much juice, too much sauce. Too much sauce, too much juice.
Now this is a full lace wig, you guys.
I'm a one dada. Me here no bring no wahala. Other girls so they don't even matter. Cause when you come through, you know there's nobody better. No my own lover. I'm a Tio kind of.
The hair smells clean. Let me take this off. And I'm gonna put this on.
You need something like saying Ariana, baby girl, come go. Got girls online with it, holla now, city won't blue. But I did turn them down, cause now you, girl, me, I want you.
Oh, wow. The lace is so... I think the lace matches my skin tone perfectly. Perfectly, you guys. And you guys, I'm not going to adhere my unit down with any type of glue or gel. I'm being very, very careful, you guys, as I'm cutting this. I'm going to take this off and cut the rest. Because this unit, I cannot make a mistake on. I cannot make a mistake on whatsoever. So I'm going to cut the rest. And you know what I think I may also do is put some foundation powder underneath it.
Entertainment, baby.
Hey, hey. Tiny. Why say?
Body on this one, oh.
Ain't nobody but that. I don't wanna wait for nobody. I just wanna dance with you, mommy. I put my hands on your body. Don't be scared, don't you worry. I don't wanna wait for nobody. I just wanna dance with you, mommy. I put my hands on your body. Don't be shy, don't you worry. Too much juice, too much sauce. Too much sauce, too much juice. Too much juice, too much sauce. Too much sauce, too much juice. Too much juice, too much sauce. Too much sauce, too much juice. Too much juice, too much sauce. Too much sauce, too much juice. Number one dada. Me here no bring no wahala. Other girls so they don't even matter. Cause when you come through, you know there's nobody better. Number one lover. I'm a Tio kind of what you need.